Good morning, students. Our subject is wastewater management. We are in Unit 5. Present, our topic is manufacturing process and origin, characteristics, effects, and treatment methods of paper and pulp industries. Guys, pulp and paper industries introduction. History of the paper. History. Paper has a rich colorful history which has spanned the world's geography and its cultures. Tracing its development offers us insight into humanity's relentless imagination, creativity, and sometimes folly. Paper, as we know it today, comes from another source, China. It was not until the 3rd century that the secret art of paper making began to creep out of China, first to Vietnam and then Tibet. It was introduced in Korea in the 4th century and spread to Japan in 6th. Paper making spread slowly throughout Asia to Nepal and later to India. It made its true push westward in 751 AD. The birth of the modern paper and printing industry is accredited to Johann Gutenberg. The Europe and America in the 18th century, the mass production of paper became a thriving industry, supplying huge volumes of paper for the production of newspapers, books, magazines, paper bags, toilet paper, money, and a huge variety of other purposes, including clothing, chimneys, and even coffins. Industrial trends. Paper making today is a large capital intensive industry characterized by high speed machines and complex systems of control for manufacturing to close tolerances, thousands of products vital to education, communications, marketing, packing, construction, etc. Throughout the 19th century, pulp and paper was largely a domestic industry serving the gradually increasing needs. With the 1960s came the greatest surge of expansion in the industry since the 1920s, spurred by provincial governments' eagerness for new industrial investment. Over the past 20 years, the most significant development in the industry's fiber requirements has been the tremendous increase in the use of wood chips, recycled lumber, and other wood residues from sawmills. Also, large areas of public forest land was made available to obtain raw material from. This is the for guys from the trees to soft material to the paper production to the rollings. This is the bundles. Indian papers industry scenario. These paper mills are manufacturing industrial grades, cultural grades, and other specialty papers. The paper industry in India could be classified into three categories according to the raw material consumed: wood-based, agro-based, and waste paper-based. The Indian paper industry is among the top 12 global players today, with an output of more than 13.5 million tons annual with an estimated turnover of 35,000 crores. Paper industry in India is moving up with a strong demand push and is in expansions made to meet the projected demand of 20 million tons by 2020. Thus, paper industry in India is on the growth trajectory and is expected to touch 8.5% GDP in the coming years. Therefore, the growth of industry will outspan the present growth rate of 6.5%. The average salary for a chemical engineer in the Indian paper and pulp industry is around 7 lakhs per annum. Principle behind the pulp and paper industry comprises manufacturing enterprises that convert cellulose fiber into a wide variety of pulps, papers, and paper boards. About 95% of their fiber comes from wood from forests. The balance from waste paper and a very small quantity of linen and cotton rajas. Wood is reduced to fiber by mechanical means or by cooking in chemicals. The fibers are then mixed with water, adhering to one another as the water is removed by pressure and heat. This is the fundamental principle of paper making. This is the overview, guys. Raw materials for the pulping industry. Requisites for cellulose raw materials. Ample supply available to pulp mill throughout the year, should not deteriorate in storage, high yield of quality fiber, capable of being collected and stored in a small area and transported if necessary at low cost. Cost of conversion to paper must be low. Quality of paper made must be competitive, must not have a higher priority use. Major inputs for pulp production: fiber, softwood, hardwood, non-wood fibers, recycled fiber, chemicals, energy, water. Fibers, softwood, contain more lignin than hardwoods, longer and coarser fiber than hardwoods, strength to withstand stretching and tearing, improves the runnability of paper on the machine. Greater amount of lignin means that more amount of chemicals and energy. Include coniferous and non-coniferous woods. Example: pine, spruce, etc. Hardwoods provide smooth surface, primarily used in the production of printing paper because short fiber pulp improves the printing properties of paper. Example: acacia, lemon, gum, birch, eucalyptus, pinus, purtwood, pepper, mulberry, rubber plant wood, etc. Non-wood fibers. Annual crops of flax, leaf, hemp, and often grown especially for paper production. Agriculture residues, rye, wheat, straw, baggage, and vegetable waste, fruit pulp, newer alternatives beyond research on. Byproducts of crop grown for other uses: straw, rice, wheat, baggage, barley, reeds, etc. Grass and needs: lemon, panni, ulla, siru, and munji, sabai, grass, and bamboo, etc. Advantages of non-wooden fibers. Non-wooden fibers can reduce the amount of chemicals needed for pulping as well as shorten time, thus saving energy. The high cellulose content of cotton linter 85% to 95% compared to that of wood 35% to 49% cellulose, and the low lignin content of hemp 3% make these non-wood fibers valuable for paper making. Guys, here list of materials: lignin, wood, cellulose, and the table shows that non-wood not just rich with cellulose fibers, but the composition of lignin is also low, so it is easy to be degraded and consumed short period of time compared to wood fibers in a chemical pulping process. Guys, here wood coniferous 26 to 34, lignin, and cellulose 40 to 45%. Deciduous as wood 20 to 30%, cellulose 38 to 49. Non-wood rice stock 12 to 16, wood cellulose 28 to 48, wheat straw 16 to 21, cellulose 29 to 51, barley stalk 14 to 15, cellulose 31 to 45. Recovered fiber, recycled paper, grade determined by the process used in manufacturing the virgin pulp when the paper was first made, and contaminants added to or picked up by paper in recovery from solid waste or a recycle collection process. Contaminants, ink, wax, and clay coatings, non-fiber filter materials used in paper, adhesives, tape, staples, or pieces of plastic, metal, dirt, etc. Chemicals. For chemical pulping, sodium sulfite, carbonate, or hydroxide. In the craft pulp process, the active cooking chemicals, white liquor or sodium hydroxide NaOH and sodium sulfite Na2S. Energy. Half of the wood raw material is utilized as a chemical pulp before fiber. The other half is utilized as a fuel for electricity and heat generation. In fact, a pulp mill has two main lines. Wood is turned into pulp on the fiber line. Energy is produced on the chemical recovery line from the wood material cooked in the liquor. The cooking chemicals are recovered for reuse in the chemical recovery line. The block liquor is evaporated and combusted in a recovery boiler, and the energy content of the dissolved wood material is recovered as steam and electricity. The chemical pulping process generates more energy than it uses. Water is intricately associated with all the three stages of paper production, namely pulp making, pulp processing, and paper board manufacturing, and their associated activities of cooking, bleaching, and washing. With more than 17,000 gallons of water used for every ton of pulp produced, the pulp and paper sector remains the largest user of industrial process water in the US and the second largest in the Europe. About 85% of the water consumed in the pulp and the paper industry is used only for processing, thus leading to the generation of large volumes of contaminated wastewater. It is also one of the largest producers of wastewater. The paper and water industries have worked closely for years to achieve ideal raw materials based on the requisites and options available. The largest paper producing countries like China, US, Germany, Japan, Canada use predominantly wood. Bamboo is an ideal raw material. India is the first country in the world to use bamboo as the basic raw material for making paper. Bamboo and the pulpable timber continue to be the basic raw material for the paper industry in India. Some top paper producing plants in India and their states. ITC Limited, PSPD. Water and energy consumption per ton of paper produced. Water averaging around 43 lakhs. Energy averaging around uh, 1027 kilowatts per hour. Raw material base wood around 52%, imported pulp around 27%, waste paper around 21%. Tamil Nadu Newsprint and Paper Limited, water and energy consumption per ton of paper produced, energy 1522 kilowatts per hour, water 55 lakhs kiloliters. Raw material base, baggage pulp 55%, hardwood pulp 35%, de-linked pulp 10%, Century Pulp and Paper Mumbai, water and energy consumption per ton of paper produced, water 57 kl, steam 8.37 tons, power 1291 kilowatts per hour. Raw material base, wood, baggage, and recycled fiber. Rainbow Papers Limited, Ahmedabad, Gujarat. Trident Limited, Dakhla, Panchala and Punjab. So raw materials for paper production. Fibers raw materials. Paper pulp, ground wood, chemical, semi-chemical pulp, bleached or unbleached, reuse pulp, recycled or repulped paper, products like newspapers, paper board, etc., mixed with new pulp, miscellaneous cellulose pulp, straw, linen, linen, cotton, jute, rags, specially pulp, inorganic fibers such as asbestos and glass. Non-fibrous raw materials for filters, sizing and coating, finishing process, inorganic clay, talc, titanium dioxide, zinc sulfide, calcium carbonate, calcium sulfate, barium sulfate, alum, etc. Organic uh, rosin, glue, casein, waxes, glycerol, and dyestuffs, etc. Types of pulping process. Pulp can be divided into two principal types, chemical, mechanical pulp. In fact, there are more than two types of pulp. Pulp from recovered paper poses a different challenge for the paper maker as it often has to be delinked and other contaminants removed. Mechanical pulping or groundwood pulping. The two processes of mechanical pulping are stone ground wood. Fiber is torn from the side of short logs with greenstones. And the refiner ground wood chips are passed through disc refiners. Mechanical pulping does not separate the cellulose fiber from the lignin in the wood, while chemical pulping does. In semi-mechanical pulping, the wood is softened with chemicals before grinding. There is also a process called thermomechanical pulping, where the wood is softened with the heat and then refined under pressure. This is the other releases is the inputs and the release to air. Chemical pulping. Chemical pulping uses chemicals to separate the cellulose from the lignin. This creates pulps with different properties that can be used for higher quality paper. The three types of chemical pulping are Kraft, sulfite, and semi-mechanical. The Kraft process, also called the sulfate process, involves an alkaline treatment with solutions of sodium sulfide and sodium hydroxide. In 1987, Kraft pulping was 95% of the total chemical pulping. Sulfite pulping began with the use of calcium as the sulfite liquor base. Today, the base has been changed to magnesium, ammonia, or sodium. This allows for the recovery of spent liquor. The semi-chemical pulping process involves cooking wood chips in a neutral solution of sodium sulfite and sodium carbonate or sodium hydroxide. Only some of the lignin is removed and then the pulp wood pulping process. Mechanical pulping and chemical pulping. Mechanical pulping by mechanical energy, small amount of chemicals and heat yield 85 to 95% short, weak, unstable, impure fibers and good print quality, stone groundwork, refiner mechanical pulp, thermomechanical pulp. 25 to 31% of lignin by mass. Sg 5 due to open lumen. In chemical pulping, by chemicals and heat, little or no mechanical energy yield 40 to 55% long, strong, stable fibers. Poor print quality, Kraft alkaline, sulfate acid, soda. 3 to 8% of lignin by mass or 0 to 1% if bleached. Sg is equal 1.5 due to collapsed lumen yield, weight of pulp, weight of wood, oven dry. Sulfate craft pulp process. ಇದು phone తీసుకోవాలి. Suppose not this. Debarking, chipping, screening to digester, washing and bleaching and dried blade. Debarking. Debarking is the process of removing bark from wood. Debarking generally involves the use of industrial machinery into which the log or stake is placed. Generally, they are powered by hydraulic motors. Cooking. Cooking, guys, here steam, white liquor and digester. Here digester, black liquor. The wood chips are then cooked in pressurized vessels called digesters. In a continuous digester, the materials are fed at a rate which allows the pulping reaction to be complete by the time the materials exit the reactor. Digestions, so blow down valve and the block tank and the blow blow tank. Reduce the pressure of a stream from 80 to 10 atm before entering the blow. Stream from the hot slurry passing through the tank is recovered. This stream is used for the preheating of chips. Screening and washing. Screening of the pulp after pulping is a process whereby the pulp is separated from large sheaves, knots, grit, and other undigested residues. The accept is the pulp. The material separated, the pulp is called the reject. Washing. Cooking liquors are separated from the cellulose fibers. Pulp washers use counter current flow between the stages such that the pulp moves in the opposite direction to the flow of washing waters. Bleaching. Bleaching of wood pulp is the chemical processing carried out on various types of wood pulp to decrease the color of the pulp because whiter. Traditionally, chlorine-based oxidizing agents were used for this process, but due to the formation of dioxins and other undesirable products, the usage of chloride has been discontinued. The color of pulp. Advantages. Why this process? Pulp produced is stronger than that made by other pulping process. Acidic sulfide process degrade cellulose more than the craft process, which leads to weaker fibers. Mechanical pulping process leave most of the lignin in the fibers. The craft process can use a wider range of fiber sources than most other pulping process. Chemical recovery from the block liquor. The block liquor, lignin-rich producer from the sulfate pulp production contains 95 to 98% of digested chemicals. The reduce air and water pollution and the balanced economy of operation, these chemicals should be removed before disposal. Black liquor is separated from pulp in washing. Flow sheet. Multi-effect evaporator. It is a series of single effect evaporators of 5 to 6 stages of calandria equipment followed by disc evaporators. After the first step, the block liquor is about 20 to 30% solids. At this concentration, the rosin soap rises to the surface and is skimmed off. The weak block liquid is further evaporated to 65 or even 85% solids. Mixed tank. Organic carbon bonds in smelting furnace supplying necessary heat and CO2. The combustion is carried out such that sodium sulfate is reduced to sodium sulfate by the reaction. Recovery boiler. Molten slag is produced. Here organic carbon present in block liquor is burned. High pressure 28 atmosphere pressure to 30 atmosphere pressure steam is produced. The reaction that takes place inside furnace dissolving tank. The molten salts from the recovery boiler are dissolved in a process water known as the weak wash. This process water, also known as a weak white liquor, is composed of all liquors used to wash lime, mud, and green liquor participants. The resulting solution of sodium carbonate and sodium sulfide is known as green liquor. This liquid is mixed with the calcium oxide, which becomes calcium hydroxide in solution. To regenerate the white liquor used in the pulping process through an equilibrium reaction. Clarifier. Here guys, a clarifier is used as a filter to remove solid particles or suspended solids from liquid. It separates as a filtrate and sludge. Filtrating medium is a monal metal. Washing tank. Impurities are washed away in this tank after clarifying. So, causticing tank. Calcium carbonate participates from the white liquor and is recovered and heated in a lime kiln where it is converted to calcium oxide. Calcium oxide is reacted with water to regenerate the calcium hydroxide used in reaction. It precipitates the lime mud. Carbonate is causticized by adding. Paper industry and overview. Basic agenda definition on the powder method of production, finishing, chemical eddies. What is paper? Paper is a thin material produced by pressing together most fiber cellulose pulp derived from wood, rages or grasses and drying them into flexible sheets. Basic raw materials include fibrous containing groundwood, paper products, and recycled asbestos and glass, non-fibrous clay, talc, glue, waxes, glycerol, titanium dioxide, zinc sulfate, calcium carbonate. Methods of paper making. Method of paper making, guys. So working farming section wetted. So guys, this is the important total chemical additives consumption, total volume 21 here, 3.5 basic chemicals, 0.302 aluminum compounds, uh, reductive bleaching 0.25 and H2O2, Cl2CO3, starch and colorants and coating, polymer bends and functional chemicals. Application. Paper can be produced with a wide variety of properties depending on its intended use. For representing value, paper money, bank note, check, security, voucher, and ticker. For storing information, book, notebook, magazine, newspaper, art, and letters. For communication between individuals and or groups of people, for packaging, corrugated box, paper bag, envelope, packing and wrapping, paper and wallpaper. For cleaning, toilet paper, handkerchiefs, paper, towel and facial tissue. For construction, papier machine, origami, paper planes and the quilling, paper honeycomb used as a core material in composite material. Paper engineering, construction, paper and paper clothing. For other uses, emery paper, sandpaper, blotting paper, litmus paper, universal indicator paper, paper chromatography, electrical insulation paper. See also dielectric and permittivity and filter paper. Guys, this is the guys. So why should we recycle paper? Recycling 1 ton of paper saves approximately 17 trees. Don't use approximately 380 gallons of oil. Saves 40,000 kilowatts of power. Saves 3 cubic yards of landfill space and 7,000 gallons of water. Thank you guys. Thank you guys.